Hello, my name is Sierra, and I will be talking about sorority retention and why membership is declining and how to solve it. First, I will give you background of my sorority. What is Sigma Alpha? Sigma Alpha is a professional agricultural sorority. It was founded by 5 women on January 26, 1978, at The Ohio State University, who wanted more from Greek life. Since that time, more than 80 chapters have developed, and as of recently, more than 11,000 women have been initiated. I am currently a member in the chapter at Stephen F. Austin in Nacogdoches, Texas. Next, I will explain our rush process. Sigma Alpha's rushing process. In rushing a sorority, it means that women are choosing to pursue our membership program. All women who are rushing are then referred to as MCs, membership candidates. They must attend all 6 MC meetings and pass a weekly test, which consists of a mixture of Sigma Alpha and Greek information, at least by 70%. When they have passed their last test with an 80 success rate or higher, receive a second bid, and are initiated, they have then completed Sigma Alpha's rushing program and become a full-fledged member. We have successfully initiated 4 new members and have a membership of 12 women. I have realized that my chapter is still small. We seem to find ourselves recruiting less and less members each semester. So studies have found many see a sorority as a burden. You must highly consider your time management skills when joining a sorority. Individuals feel that joining a sorority or fraternity can take away time and effort towards their grades. The main reason for this is because they are trying to obtain a career after college that pays well. This could affect retention in sororities because they find they are wasting their time on anything that does not relate or help them in their career. In the article, The Effects of Fraternity and Sorority Membership in the 4th Year of College, states that 2 studies in the 1990s found that membership in fraternities and sororities made students more focused on the extrinsic value of education, rather than the intrinsic value of education. This suggests that fraternity and sorority members may be less likely to pursue learning opportunities, at least those not directly related to career advancement, after completing college. New women are not sure what they're getting themselves into. Many hear the horror stories of college sororities and fraternities and immediately reject the idea of joining a Greek organization. Sororities are not providing enough information for future possible candidates. Also, girls are sweethearted into joining a sorority, but then they are presented with the negative aspects of a sorority once they are committed. In the article Declining Participation in Fraternity and Sorority Life, memberships within Greek-lettered organizations is declining because students find fewer reasons to affiliate themselves with fraternities or sororities. Stereotypes, like hazing, alcohol abuse, have caused non-affiliated students to avoid involving themselves with these historical organizations, which causes a rift between affiliated and non-affiliated students. Another problem we have is keeping members. The MCs are not completing the process or committing to the sorority after that process because they don't fully understand what they're getting themselves into and the time and effort it takes to remain in good standing within the sorority. Sigma Alpha bylaws, rules, and regulations given by nationals are not really mentioned during the MC process. An example of this is in attire. Girls are not really sure what is appropriate to wear during meetings, social events. This provides more confusion than the point system, where we have to earn throughout the semester. If we are not wearing the attire, then we are deducted points and less likely to reach the maximum points to be in good standing. Another problem is the organization in the sorority. We have a small problem making sure everyone is on the same page and coming to the same conclusions. We have a hard time ensuring all exec members are on board. So what can we do about this? The first thing Sigma Alpha needs to do is be completely open to new coming members. If the girls know what joining a sorority can benefit them by, we would be able to keep members. Another solution is outreach. We usually have 2 events that help us reach out to freshmen. However, we could use other approaches too. We could visit classes and talk to the students. So not only does it tell the new freshmen, but we can also inform the upperclassmen too. We could also reach out outside of these 2 events that are mainly taking place in the Ag and Forestry building. During Rush Week, we can provide a lot more information. In this, we will have to become more organized, but that will help with the sorority and in life. With this information, future members can evaluate their priorities and see if committing to a sorority is something they can do. If they realize this, Sigma Alpha can have fully committed, loyal members. In conclusion, we must take the necessary steps to get and keep new members so Sigma Alpha at Stephen F. Austin can prosper and grow into a successful professional agricultural sorority. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.